Hi, my name is Phil Bluey. I'm the Director of Sales with Veloce. Today, we're going to introduce the VelMIX. The VelMIX is the best liquor control system on the market. With this, you'll be able to manage your entire bar. The entire system is linked to the Veloce system, which is the restaurant management system that you already know of. To pour, not very hard. I grab a bottle of red wine, put it in the ring, I pour. It recognizes right away the brand, the size, and the price. If I take another example, let's say I would grab the vodka bottle, I'll pour a shooter, I pour a shot, I'll pour another shot. There are 12 different sizes available. And I'm going to pour a third one just to show you the consistency. Every drink poured rings right up to the Veloce system. Look at that, perfect pour every single time. One of the strongest features of the system is cocktail management. Let's say I want a cocktail. The system is equipped with a display where you can actually hold the key, press on it, and it's going to tell you exactly the ingredients, the recipe, and the procedure of how to make your cocktail. So anybody can be a barman, just like that. Like I said before, we have 12 sizes. You put all your cocktails. The VelMIX system is the absolute control for you. Give us a call today. Veloce, we are the solution for you.